Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I have the Boxycharm unboxing. I'm so excited, and I've already taken a peek in the box to see what is in there this month. So that is why there is nothing on my face, and we are going to begin starting right now. Okay, so the first thing in the box this month, as soon as I opened it up, was this. And this is the Dr. Brandt Needles No More, No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. The card this month, oh wait, I forgot to tell you what the theme was, is road tripping. This says it is a full-size product and that it is going to visibly reduce under eye bags and dark circles, and this retails for $42. Oh, it's orange. You can't see that, but it's orange. Okay, I feel like this is a product that I will definitely have to keep continuing using and see if I feel like it does anything. So I'm gonna go do like my face and everything and then save these products, and we'll meet back here momentarily. Okay guys, so I am back. My foundation and bronzer and stuff is done, but we are stopping and we're about to do my eyebrows because first off, they look crazy. Second off, we have an eyebrow product. Okay, so in the box came this Cella Beauty Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream, and this is what it looks like. So this retails for $26 and it is from the brand Cella Beauty. So on one side you have a brush, as you can see right here, and then if you take the product and you unscrew the bottom, inside is the eyebrow cream. So it's kind of a cool concept. Like, I'll give that to them. I'm not a big fan of eyebrow cream, so we're gonna see how this goes. And taupe, I don't know if that's my color, but we're gonna make it work. So actually, so far, like I said, I'm not really a eyebrow cream, which is like a pomade essentially. I'm not a pomade kind of person, but I actually really like this so far. It's very easy to use and I feel like it's matching my brow color pretty well. I will say that I don't think it's picking up a lot of pigment on the brush though, so it is taking a minute to kind of like build it up in my brows. I don't know if I'm like not digging well enough into the actual product or if this is just the product, you know. Okay, well that is the brows done. I actually think they look really good. Like I said, I don't think it was super pigmented, so it took a minute to like build it up and whatnot, but I actually think it looks really nice, surprisingly. Okay, so the next thing in the box is this Crown Brushes palette. So this is what the palette looks like. It is black, and then you open it up and it has a mirror on the top. Hello. And these are the shades of the palette. It's very warm tone, but still very, very, very beautiful. I'm kind of not in the warm tone kick anymore, so, oh, it does have, I just said it had a mirror, but I literally just looked in the mirror and I was like, oh, it has a mirror. And I got really excited. That was dumb. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this shade. This is like the nice, only light shade in the palette. So I'm going to use this in the crease. And my eyes have already been primed. I just prime with concealer. So I am having to build this color up just because I feel like there wasn't much pigment to start with. I feel like there is pigment now. Maybe it was just like scratching off that top layer or something to get to the pigment. I don't know. Next, I'm going to take this shade in the palette, the one directly below the shade we used in our crease. And I'm just going to take this on a different fluffy brush and I'm going to run this through the crease as well. Okay, so then I'm actually going to take this red shade right here. It's like a deeper red, and I'm going to place this in the crease as well, just because I'm looking for a little more va-va-voom, I suppose, and those shades didn't really give it to me. Okay, I'm really digging that color. I think it looks really nice in the crease. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to take this shade right here, this red shimmery shade, and I'm going to take it on my finger because I kind of don't want to use a brush for it. So I'm just going to put this on the lid. Oh, yes, pigment. Wow. Oh my heavens. And then I'm going to take this shade in the palette, this kind of like cool tone brown color, and I'm going to put this on the outer corners and blend everything together. Okay, and then I'm just gonna run some of the two lighter brown shades that we used in the crease. I'm gonna run those on the lower lash line just because I don't want anything to really take away from that red that's on the top. And then I'm going to take this white shade in the palette right there, and I'm going to put this as a brow bone highlight. Ooh, that's very highlighty. Yes, okay. And then I'm going to put it as an inner corner highlight as well. And those are the eyes. I think they actually turned out really good. Like, I like this look. It's different for me, but it looks really nice. There wasn't like a lot of fallout, but there was some fallout with this palette, which fallout doesn't bother me, but... So moving on, the next thing in the box is this, and this is the Wonder Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara, and it makes me a little uncomfortable because it's in like a, what looks like a lip gloss tube or lipstick tube or something, and you unscrew it and it pulls out. And it has a very interesting wand. I don't know if you can tell, but mascara retails for $24. Really not doing anything for my lashes. I mean, it's coating them. I'll give that to them, but it's kind of clumping up. Like, my lashes never normally look this short. I don't know, this mascara is definitely not my favorite. Okay, so the next thing that came in the box is this, which is a blush. This is from Note, and this is their Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. And it says this blush retails for $11.99. I think this is a really, really pretty color. And we are just going to put this on our cheeks. Oh. Yeah, I think that's really pretty. I went a little overboard on my left cheek, so I'm gonna try and blend that out a little bit. I really like the color because I love colors like this. I think it looks really pretty. I don't necessarily think I would wear it with this eye look, but I mean, it works. And then I did want to go back into this palette, this Crown palette really quick, and go to the first shade right here that we used in the inner corners and stuff. And I wanted to try it as a highlight. See if it works. Alright guys, so that is everything I have for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember, again, this is the Boxycharm unboxing of July, and Boxycharm is an amazing company. I am not sponsored to talk about this at all. I just really like Boxycharm, and I like doing this kind of video. It is $21 a month for 4 to 5 full-size products a month, and yeah. The overall total of this month's box, I didn't calculate, but I know it's over $21. My camera's about to die, so I don't want to do that. That's why I'm like skipping that part. But anyway, I think I really like most of these products. I think my favorite would probably have to be either the brow or the blush, and I really do like the eyeshadow palette too. I mean, most of it was really good. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and hit that like button if you did enjoy today's video. Again, thank you guys, and I hope you guys are having a blessed day or night wherever you are, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!